Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to make tea scones. Preheat oven to 425 degrees F and gather flour, baking powder, sugar, salt, cold butter, milk, and optional currants. Keep butter cold and work quickly to create flaky layers. Use a light touch when mixing to avoid overdeveloping gluten. Pat dough to about 1 inch thickness and cut rounds. Brush tops with milk and bake until golden and risen for best results. Gather and measure all ingredients before you start to keep the process smooth. Keep butter in the refrigerator until the last possible moment for those flaky pockets. Use a pastry cutter, forks, or fingertips to leave small butter bits about pea size. Mix milk gently until dough barely holds together, then turn out onto a floured surface. Pat to even thickness and cut rounds without twisting the cutter to keep edges neat. If you are finding this guide helpful, please subscribe and like for more baking videos. Quick recommendation: the Oala water bottle is leak-proof, keeps drinks cold for hours, and fits most cup holders, so it is great for staying hydrated while you bake. I use it on busy kitchen days to sip between steps. Check the description for the link and other deals, then now let's get back to the video. Timing and temperature are key for perfect scones, so keep your oven steady at 425 degrees F. Chill the baking tray briefly if your kitchen is warm to preserve butter bits. When cutting rounds, press straight down and lift without twisting to maintain height. Brush with milk for a glossy finish and watch closely in the final minutes to prevent overbrowning. Let scones rest briefly, then split and enjoy with your favorite spread.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.